Clean and Shine Total Exterior Detailer for touch-ups and in-between car washes. Safely removes all light dust and dirt on all exterior paint, glass, metal, plastic, trim, and more. Generously spray directly onto one car panel at a time. Then with a clean microfiber towel, wipe the car for an instant shine. For wheels and heavily soiled areas, spray the surface until it's thoroughly wet with the product. Allow it to absorb into the dirt before wiping the dirt away with a soft microfiber towel. Once the dirt is removed, dry to a high shine.